Okay, how are you? You guys?
Very well, thank you.
Oh, good. I was just wondering about this new safeguarding policy. I was wondering what Wales YFC are doing to keep their members safe.
We've obviously got this safeguarding policy in place now and implementing it. The safeguarding policy is a range of procedures and policies that we have in place in case concerns are raised.
Oh, brilliant! But it strikes me that a lot of the things in safeguarding policy, young members are doing at the moment within YFC.
Well, here are examples of our members keeping safe.
Hey, Emma, how are you? Right?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you, Alice?
Yeah, I'm not bad. I'm a bit nervous, really. We've heard all about the YPV and how awesome it is, but it's my first time tonight. I'm just a bit worried. I was wondering if you've got any tips or anything you can sort of tell me.
Oh, you don't need to be worried at all. You know, we've got plenty of friendly faces down there to keep you very safe. No, we've got the YFC stewards. They'll keep an eye out for everybody down there. We've also got lots of stewards, the paid members of staff. They keep an eye out for everybody, making sure that everybody's safe. We've got a underage drinking policy as well. So if you're not over 18, you're not getting a drink, unfortunately. But that's how we're working towards. And yeah, there's plenty of stuff. There's first aiders as well. If you're feeling there's a bit of a welfare area, if you're not feeling up to scratch, come along, have a little sit down, time out, just to get yourself back up on the straight and narrow.
Oh, brilliant! No, thank you very so much for telling me about it. It sounds absolutely awesome. I can't wait to come down tonight.
Great, brilliant. I'll see you there.
I'll see you there.
Oh, did you have a good night last night, girls?
I had a really good night last night. I thought the DJ was so much better last night than the night before.
Oh yeah, I really enjoyed the band first.
The band were amazing, really
good.
Really liked them.
I didn't want to go on that ride though.
No, that was I'll tell you what though, there was this one guy who was so much older than me and he just kept following me the whole night. And I couldn't get rid of him, and it was getting quite scary. But the stewards noticed because he was following me like right up close the whole time.
Yeah, there's loads of stewards.
There were loads of stewards, yeah. So I just was like, "Oh, do you mind if you just have a word with this guy, please?" And they sorted it all out, and it was all fine. It was really freaky.
Yeah.
There's always lots of people on hand to help at the young people as well.
Yeah, definitely. It was really helpful last night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hi Dan, you okay?
Hi Sarah. Yeah, I'm okay, thanks. You?
Finished your competitions?
Yeah, I finished 10 minutes ago.
Oh, well done. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to go around the show on my own for a bit.
All right, okay. You got your phone?
Yeah.
You got my number?
Yeah.
Okay, if you need me, just
Yeah,
give me a
will
call. Come back here later then and
we'll
use this
meet
as a focal point?
2 o'clock or something.
Great,
Yeah.
okay then. Take care.
Will do.
All right, see you later. Bye.
Oh God! Look at my mate here. He's absolutely hammered. Look, what an idiot! Oh, that's such a bad photo.
He's had better photos.
I think so. Yeah.
I'm trying to find some of my friends.
Have you got any decent ones?
No, I haven't found anything. I'm trying to find some embarrassing ones from friends.
Nah, because he had a YFC competition the day after. He was doing the dancing, and he didn't do very well. To be honest, he didn't do very well.
I'm sure his head was.
Yeah, he was spinning around a bit more than he expected.
Yeah, it's a shame that some people have to drink quite so much.
Yeah,
I don't think you need to drink so much. If you're with your friends, you can have a good laugh. If you only had a little bit.
No, definitely. I think there's some nights, and it is nice to be able to remember it, really, isn't it?
It's good to be able to remember your conversations.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, are you alright?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
I'm meeting this boy.
So where have you met this guy?
I've met him on Facebook, yeah.
Maybe you should meet him here. I mean, it's not such a good idea if you don't know what he's like. Or...
Oh no, he'll be fine, he'll be fine.
Well, I'm not sure that's such a good idea. You don't know what he could be like. But you make sure you're safe, don't do anything silly, and meet me back here to make sure you're
Alright,
okay.
fair enough.
Okay.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
Is the YFC keeping you safe? Ydych ffemwr ifanc yn cadw chi'n saff?
Hei Eleri, ti'n iawn?
Iawn, diolch. Ti'n iawn, Steffan?
Ydw, good, diolch. Allet ti gweithio fi amdano'r polisi amddiffyn a fel I ni fel aelodau yn cadw saff?
Mae'r polisi amddiffyn CFfI Cymru yna I sicrhau bod ni fel mudiad cenedlaethol yn cadw'n aelodau yn ogystal yn staff a'n arweinyddion yn saff a jyst cwpl o bwyntiau ar be I wneud a be I beidio wneud. Dyma cwpl o enghreifftiau broblemau a sut yw datrys.
Helo, Emma, ti'n iawn?
A dwi'n edrych yn fawr ti?
Dwi'n iawn, diolch.
Da iawn?
Braidd yn blynedig am.
O, wel, pa'n mix am ti na.
Na. Dwi'n braidd yn nerfus am fynd I pentre pobl ifanc wedyn. Pentri? Ie.
O, sim siwr beth.
Dwi heb fod o'r blaen. Mae'n crew ni'n fynd wedyn.
Yn y becso gwbl, os oes unrhyw beth i'n becso amdano, mae ddigon ohono ni fel stwardydd y ffermwr ifanc na yn y cota melyn, felly dod ato ni gael chat. Mae hefyd pobl i'n talu fel stwardiau Diogelwch, mae nhw'n na i ddelio gyda unrhyw broblemau, felly mae nhw'n na. Mae ni bolisi yfed, so os nag wyt ti'n ddeunaw eto, yn anffodus, wedi ffili gael drink yn y bar, a mae hwnna i ddiogel i chi fel pobl ifanc. Mae dyn ni hefyd adran cymwrdd cynta, so os chi moyn bach o time out, ddim yn teimlo fel, tmod, eisiau bach o amser eich hunain, mae gyda ni lle llwch chi fe'n eistedd, cael bach o amser i llonydd. So, mae digon o bethach na i gadw chi'n ddiogel ac i wneud siŵr bod chi'n hapus lawr dda. A newch chi fwynhau mas draw i siŵr.
Ie, wel dwi wedi clywed o dros y 2 noson diwethaf, mae digon swnll yn anyway.
Mae digon o sŵn i gael yna, a digon o joio.
Ie, diolch yn fawr, na i weld ti yna.
Ie, wel, ti nes man.
Ta-ra.
So, lle ar chi'n mynd neithiwr ta?
O'n i lawr y Pentrync dyn neithwr. Oedd e'n really good nos o'r neithwr, cyddoriaeth yn really diweddar gyda nhw. A oedd y band cyntaf, gen i 4th Streetways, ond nhw'n really good neithwr. Joes ti?
Oedd o'n nos yn arbennig i fod yn honest. Oedd lot yna, oedd lot yn digwydd.
Ie, mae'n god...
Lot o egni.
Ond ti'n cwrdd â lot o bobl, o ti? Fi wedi cwrdd ar ages, oedd wedi gweld nos blynydde. Ond oedd y foi, oedd wedi bod yn dilyn fi drwy nos. Oedd wedi mynd dilyn fi drwy'r nos, a wedyn, o'n i'n gofyn i'r stewardiau, neud i gymryd, achos oedd gymaint o'n nhw nawr ar y teg, a o'n i'n gofyn i nhw gymryd gair bach cloed fe, war y teg, o'n nhw wedi mynd, a unrhyw bryd oedd e'n dod draw ty fi wedyn, oedd y steward arno fe, straight. Ond nhw'n rili dda.
Gymaint ohonyn nhw yna, pawb yna i helpu, o'n dda.
A nhw'n cymdeithasu fyd, da ti, ti'n modd?
Ti'n mynd diogel yn di.
Ie, di.
A meneth yn ymwedig.
Mae'n dda bod ni'n adnabod y gyd o'r stewardiad hefyd, oherwydd dyn ni'n gallu mynd i steward, dyn ni'n adnabod a dyn ni'n gyfforddus siarad efo.
Enwedig, os bod ti problem efo da fi neithwr, ond nhw'n digon hapus i rhoi cymorth o'n o.
Ie, ond dim siarad nhw, maen nhw'n ffrindiau yn dyn, a maen nhw'n dda, ti'n gallu siarad am unrhyw beth gyda nhw.
Ie, mae'n dda bod nhw'n, dyn ni'n adnabod nhw, oherwydd os dyn ni arbenni'n hunain, dyn ni'n gallu mynd i siarad efo nhw yn arferol, heb bod gen ni problem.
A nhw'n neud y noson lot mwy hwylus, o'n o?
Helo, ti'n iawn?
Ie, diolch.
Siaradde?
Oedd e'n reit, neu bod yn neud yr diogelwch tân na, oedd e'n rili galed, ond y pawb arall yn rili good, so oedd e'n iawn.
Good. So, beth yn ond i ti nawr?
Fi'n crediau i grwydro'r maes bach yn gyrru.
Ben di nan?
Ie, Jiw, dim lot am ti lle mas e.
Ysdi ti rhif fi nawr?
Os, mae fe yn y ffôn yn barod.
Heid siŵr at mae'n cwrdd nôl fan hyn wedyn os ma?
Ie, rwy'n ni amser, efe?
Ie.
Gwrdd chi am 3?
Ie, oce, 3 fan hyn da.
Ie, gret, wy'n eich nes fan. Dara! Con ffrind i fan hyn, mae wedi cael tyma bach gormod i yfed wedyn ni. Ond yn dioddau bore yma.
Mae'n siŵr, bai.
Ie, ond y peth yw, sy'n mysyn ti yfed i gael amser da, os e?
Na.
Ti di ffindo'r hunan?
Na, dwi eb eto.
O, ti.
Wel, gymaint o luniau bydd yn bron yma, amhosib.
A fi'n gwybod, a wedi tynnu gymaint o luniau ni.
Do.
Gymaint o bobl na.
Ie, mi oedd impact yna.
Oedd hi yn.
Oedd.
Ond gathen ni amser da, dy fe?
Do.
Eb cael gormod o yfed.
Ie, dyna di pwynt. Jyst angen yfed cymaint.
Dangos. Jyst bod gyda ti ffrindiau ti, cwmni da.
Ie.
Mae'n iawn.
Ti'n iawn?
Ie, diolch.
Fi'n iawn, diolch. Beth ti'n neud yma?
O, dwi fod cwrdd â bachgen nes i cwrdd ar Facebook.
O, ie? Ti'n meddwl bod hwnna'n gymaint o syniad da?
Wel, dwi wedi bod yn siarad ag ages da, felly... Dwi'n gweld pan bod ddim yn syniad da. Mae'n bachgen neis.
Ie, ond so mae'n gweld well efo ffrindiau fo ti?
Wel, fydde, ond... Mae rhaid i cwrdd fe rhywbryd.
Ie. Wel, cofio bod fi yma, os oes rhywbeth yn mynd yn wrong.
Oce, diolch.
Pan nid i'n byd gwirio.
Na i ddim.
Tyna.
O, mae'n absolutely fynd.
Tyna.
Does the farmers keep you safe or the family but cadw'n chi'n ddiogel?